जम्मू आ गए, दिल्ली आ गए, अलग अलग जगह पे आ गए, और अभी सरकार उनको करेगी प्रिजन सेटल।
मेरी बात समझ गए? क्या सबके साथ मर्डर हो जाता है? क्या सारी बहुएं जला के मार?
Again, this is also a case of invitation to offer. A person, plaintiff is invited to an auction. He reads all the items that will be sold in an auction in the newspaper. After looking at the newspaper advertisement, he decides to go to this particular place for participating in the auction. But when he reaches the auction, what he sees is that the items that were claimed that will be sold in the auction, those items were removed by the defendant from the auction. So defendant is not selling those items anymore. However, the plaintiff has traveled all the way to purchase those items, right? Here, plaintiff claims that the defendant has caused a breach of a contract and that he should pay to the plaintiff certain amount for traveling to London, right? So here, what was held in this particular case was that the defendant did not put an offer in the newspaper. The defendant merely put an invitation to offer that you are most welcome to come and make an offer for auction. So when a person comes to the auction and makes a bid, that bidder is making the offer and not the other way around. The auction holder, the auctioneer is not making an offer, the bidder is making the offer that is to be accepted or rejected by the person. So as long as there is an invitation to offer, this person, defendant can always take his invitation back. This person has taken his invitation back by taking his goods back. The goods that he had earlier decided to sell, now he does not want to sell them. So what he has done, he has taken his invitation to offer back, and it is now in his prerogative, उसकी choice है, वो ये particular object पे offer नहीं मांगना चाहता. He does not want offer on this particular object. So here it was held that the putting of advertisement in the newspaper regarding all these items was only an invitation to offer and not an offer. All right. So this was the next case, that is Harris versus Nickerson. This case is also regarding the invitation to offer.
Subscribe for more content.